Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to customize your Discord profile without Nitro. Even without Discord Nitro, you can customize your Discord profile to reflect your personality. Here's how to do it on Windows. First, change your profile picture. Take note, make sure to disable Streamer Mode to access My Account tab section. Now, launch the Discord app. Click the gear icon next to your username in the bottom left corner. Under My Account tab, click Edit User Profile. Click the Change Avatar, then hit Upload Image. Then upload a new one from your PC and click Open. Here's a square image for best result. Now, hit Apply and click Save Changes to update your profile picture. Next, set a custom status. In the bottom left corner, click your profile picture. Choose Odd Status. Let's customize your status. Add text like busy coding and choose an emoji. Set a duration for how long the status will be visible. For example, clear after 1 hour, the day, or don't clear. And change status. Click Save to display your custom status. Next, customize your About Me section. Go to User Settings again, User Profile, and the About Me section, write a short bio or description about yourself. For example, hobbies, favorite games, or a fun quote. Click Save to update. Next, add links to your social media accounts. And User Settings again, click Connections. Link your social accounts, for example, YouTube, Steam, Twitter X, by clicking the responsive icons. Once linked, these accounts will be visible on your Discord profile. Next, choose a theme, light or dark. Just go to User Settings again, Appearance, and the Theme section, choose between Dark Mode or Light Mode. Enable or disable Developer Mode. Under Advanced, toggle Developer Mode for advanced features like copying messages, ID. Lastly, add emojis to your nicknames or bio. Use standard emojis, your nickname, or bio for extra flair. Open the emoji picker by clicking the Windows key plus dot to easily add emojis. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.